never prepared. Have a pencil. You probably need a couple more because you're probably gonna lose them. So, you never have anything done. You're never here on time. You never have supplies. That's the so.
Hey, where you going? You can't leave.
Everyone shall fail with me.
My pencils are gone. Oh my gosh, my pencils are disappearing. Detective Brains and Agent Lele to my office now.
We are on our way.
Hurry!
We're here.
Hello, ladies. I called y'all up here because somebody is stealing all my pencils. And I need y'all to find out who it is.
Don't worry, we'll get him.
Yeah.
Look.
What is it?
It's like some sort of map.
It says Mr. Polar Bear.
Let's go.
How do we get in? It's the pencil factory.
It's a note.
It's a locker combination.
She's coming.
Oh my gosh, hide!
Oh no! Agent Lele! They got her. Agent Lele!
Everybody shall fail with me. I'm Dark Shadow. No, don't do that. I did it and I hurt myself so bad. I hurt myself so bad.
You're never prepared. Here's a pencil. Have another. You're never prepared, ever.
Okay, start over. Oh my god, what am I supposed to say?
My pencils are disappearing.
Detective Lele!
Over game. Hey, how that pencil get stuck on?
Hey. It's a pencil.
Whose pencil is that, bro?
I ain't
She's coming.
Detective Lele and
Take some of your books out. You're
It's
recording.
That's another